How to fix Kindle Paperwhite frozen screen? Follow these instructions. Press and hold the power button for 40 seconds, then release to force restart your Kindle. Wait for the screen to go blank and then show the Kindle logo. This means it is restarting normally. If nothing happens, charge your Kindle for at least 30 minutes using the original charger. After charging, press and hold the power button again for 30 seconds to force another restart. If still frozen, try connecting to a computer with a USB cable and see if it is detected. If your Kindle shows signs of power but stays stuck, hold power for 30 seconds while plugged into power. If none of the steps work, contact Amazon support or visit the nearest service center for help. Thank you for watching.